Hola amigos, I am Lorenzo from BroodMinder, and today I want to show you how to install the hardware in your apiary. You will see it's super easy, but it's better when you've seen it once. For this we have different sensors. We have a W5 scale, we have a W4 scale, and we have the internal sensors, BroodMinder T or TH, and we have the cellular hub, which is into this velvet bag, and it has to stay into this velvet bag. Up like this. Okay, so let's start with the scales. Let's start with W5. W5, we recommend install it at the rear of the hive, on the shadow, and then you put a wooden bar on the front, and you simply place the hive on top of it. Okay, this is measuring half the weight of the hive and multiplying by 2, and that's why having a good level is important, so that you're weighting the same front and rear, okay, more or less. And this is perfect for static apiaries that you can adjust the leveling and take a bit of care of that, right? W4, on the other hand, is a scale designed for migratory beekeeping. It's a full weight scale, and you can, doesn't need to be level, it can be any position. You can place it like this, front and rear, put the hive on top, or you can place it like that, left and right, which is much more suitable for this 6-frame hive. And so you put the hive on top of it, and that's it. Okay, now we have a scale. Next, internal sensor. Very easy. You want to put it on top of the frames, on the center of the hive. It's like this. This is designed so that the ID of the sensor is pulling out so that you can read it. If you're worried with this, you can simply leave it inside or cut the plastic like this and just keep the sensitive part. Okay, and then we cover the hive. If you want to have good results with the brood estimation and the temperature measurement tool, you don't want to just cover the hive like this and a metal roof, because the sensor will be measuring half of the internal and half of the external temperature, right? So what we advise is using a feeder, for example, first level, and then of course the top cover, and then I like an insulator here and the top roof, okay, like this. And that's it. We have a scale and internal sensor. Now we move to the hub. So the hub is this part. You know, it's also measuring the temperature and the humidity ambient. So that's why it's not into a sealed box. It's into this bag, and this bag has 2 functions. The first one is protecting from the light. The second one is protecting from the bugs. The actual bugs, okay? Not the software bugs, the actual bugs. But real bugs can make software bugs too. So you keep it like this. This is opening like this, and you put it inside. Very simply, like this, and you close it. And then 2 options. There's a magnet option. You can leave it like this, and it's good. Or even in a static apiary, you maybe want to use a pole. It comes with this part too, and so you just glide it into this thing. The most important part for this is being sure that you place it at 1.5 meters height. Okay, if you put it on the ground, you will lose a lot of signal, either Bluetooth or cellular, both, and so you will reduce the performance, right? If you have a lot of coverage or the hive is just behind it, it will be fine. But if you're a little bit away, you want to improve the signals, put it at at this level, okay? And it will be better. No more secrets. Remember that every hive counts.